Adding bullet points should not feel confusing, but most people miss one simple thing. People start typing dashes or pressing random keys. That works, but it's not the right way. First, click where you want the list to start, or select the text you want turned into bullets. Now look at the toolbar. Click the bulleted list icon. That's it. Your text becomes bullet points instantly. When you press enter, a new bullet appears automatically. Type your next item. Press enter again. OpenOffice handles the rest. To stop the bullet list, press enter twice, or click the bullet icon again to turn it off. If you want different bullet styles, use the formatting options later, but for most documents, this default method is all you need. That's how you add bullet points in OpenOffice Writer. No typing symbols, no menus to dig through, just the right button. If you want more simple OpenOffice guides, check out the other resources linked below, and like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this.